episode of Tootoo Boy has been interrupted because there is a creature called Bonesworth, a skeletal being that is missing the lower half of its skeleton. Do not come near this creature. You will be ripped apart by Bonesworth. Do not interact with Bonesworth. Your body will get disempowered. Please stay away from Bonesworth. It is here. Please stay away. Do not do anything. Please lock your doors. Lock your windows. Set your house to hazard mode. Please obey our rules. You see days like this. EAS is watching. Bonesworth is watching. You will listen to our rules. You must listen. Do it now. Please lock every single window and door before it's too late. Do it.